The mystery of the cosmos, an infinite challenge. Jupiter's brilliance, Saturn's beauty unfold. Neptune's icy labyrinth, a dance in the dreamy realm of Uranus. A kingdom of blue dreams, Neptune's serene charm. Jupiter's golden snowfall from azure eyes. Ice-draped elegance in Saturn's ringed dance. Uranus smiles mysteriously with poised grace, while Neptune is enveloped in a blue misty embrace. Satellites waltz in the cosmic unknown. Triton's ice volcanoes, Titania's graceful ballet. Miranda harbors secrets within its petite frame. Oberon exudes elegance in silent repose. Each ring shining in the infinite cosmos. The moment reflected in our eyes is the grander happy ending. The mysteries of the solar system are endless. The universe's smile embraces our dreams. Today, in the Introduction to Astronomy Part 3, we delve into Jupiter, Saturn, their moons, Uranus, and Neptune. Likes and subscriptions greatly support video production. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, composed mainly of hydrogen and helium gases. It is located at an average distance of 778 million kilometers from the Sun, and it takes approximately 12 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Jupiter is known for having the most extensive system of moons in the solar system, with a total of 79 discovered so far. These moons vary in size, shape, composition, and activity, influenced by Jupiter's gravity and magnetic field. The most famous moons of Jupiter are the four Galilean moons, first discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610. These moons exhibit diverse features and are the largest and most prominent among Jupiter's satellites. The Galilean moons are as follows. Io, the closest Galilean moon to Jupiter, with a diameter of 3,642 kilometers. Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system, featuring hundreds of volcanoes that spew sulfur and sulfur compounds, coloring its surface in shades of yellow and orange. Europa, the second closest Galilean moon with a diameter of 3,121 kilometers. Europa has an icy surface, and beneath the ice, there is a strong possibility of a large ocean composed of liquid water. Europa is considered one of the most intriguing bodies in the solar system for its potential to harbor environments suitable for life. Ganymede, the third closest Galilean moon and the largest moon in the solar system, with a diameter of 5,262 kilometers, larger even than the planet Mercury. Ganymede is composed of a mix of ice and rock, possessing its own magnetic field. Its surface displays a combination of ancient and more recent ice features, including craters, grooves, and mountain ranges. Callisto, the farthest Galilean moon from Jupiter, with a diameter of 4,821 kilometers. Callisto boasts one of the oldest surfaces in the solar system, with minimal changes over the past 4 billion years. Composed of ice and rock, Callisto's surface is marked by numerous craters. There is also a possibility of a subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun in our solar system, renowned for its beautiful rings and diverse moons. Discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610, Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. It has a mass approximately 95 times that of Earth and a diameter of about 120,536 kilometers. Saturn is primarily a giant gas planet composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, lacking a solid surface. Instead, its interior consists of a compressed core made of hydrogen and helium at high pressures and temperatures. The atmosphere of Saturn is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with small amounts of methane, ammonia, methane hydrate, water vapor, and other substances. The thick cloud layer in the atmosphere, predominantly made up of ammonia ice clouds, gives Saturn its distinctive yellowish appearance. Saturn is famous for being one of the ringed planets. Its rings are made up of numerous small ice and rock particles, and the most well-known rings are named A, B, C, D, and F. These rings encircle Saturn in a disk-like fashion, maintained by the gravitational forces and the interactions with its moons. Saturn's rings are the largest and brightest in the solar system, providing valuable insights into Saturn's history and the planetary formation process. Saturn has been extensively studied by various space probes. NASA's Cassini-Huygens spacecraft arrived in orbit around Saturn in 2004, conducting thorough investigations of Saturn and its moons. The Cassini spacecraft provided valuable information about Saturn's rings, moons, and atmosphere. Additionally, research on Titan, one of Saturn's moons, was a significant focus. The European Space Agency's Huygens probe made history by directly studying Titan's surface. Saturn remains a mysterious planet surrounded by beautiful rings and diverse moons, making it a crucial target for space exploration and research. Saturn's moons are among the most diverse and intriguing objects in the solar system, with 145 discovered so far, 13 of which have diameters exceeding 50 kilometers. These moons exhibit variations in size, shape, composition, and activity, influenced by Saturn's gravity and magnetic field. Some notable Saturnian moons include Titan, the largest moon of Saturn, and the second largest moon in the solar system, with a diameter of 5,150 kilometers. Titan has a substantial atmosphere primarily composed of nitrogen and methane. Its surface features lakes and rivers of liquid methane and ethane, along with geological formations made of ice and organic materials. Rhea, the second largest moon of Saturn, with a diameter of 1,527 kilometers. Rhea is composed of ice and rock and has a surface with bright and dark regions, including craters. It lacks its own magnetic field, and is exposed to Saturn's radiation. Iapetus, the third largest moon of Saturn, with a diameter of 1,471 kilometers. Iapetus has a distinctive two-tone surface, featuring a dark hemisphere covered in organic material likely originating from Titan, and a bright hemisphere composed of ice. Dione, the fourth largest moon of Saturn, with a diameter of 1,123 kilometers. Dione has a surface marked by craters, canyons, and ice volcanoes. There is a possibility of a subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust. Tethys, the fifth largest moon of Saturn, with a diameter of 1,062 kilometers. Tethys displays various surface features, including craters, canyons, and mountain ranges. Notable landmarks include the large crater Odysseus and the massive canyon Ithaca Chasma. Enceladus, the sixth largest moon of Saturn, with a diameter of 504 kilometers. Enceladus is an icy moon that exhibits active geysers erupting from its south polar region. These geysers are the source of material for Saturn's E-ring. Mimas, the seventh largest moon of Saturn, with a diameter of 396 kilometers. Mimas is known for its prominent Herschel crater, which gives it the appearance of the Death Star from Star Wars. It has a surface with craters, canyons, and mountainous features. These diverse moons of Saturn provide valuable insights into the planetary formation processes, and the conditions that exist in the outer regions of our solar system. Ongoing exploration and research are expected to unveil more secrets about Saturn and its intriguing moon system. Uranus is classified as an ice giant in the solar system, composed primarily of ice and gas. However, the exact internal structure of Uranus is not well known. It mostly has an atmosphere consisting of hydrogen and helium, along with various compounds such as methane, ammonia, and water vapor. Uranus has at least 27 known moons, with Titania, Oberon, Umbriel, Ariel, and Miranda being the 5 major moons. The moons of Uranus exhibit diverse characteristics in terms of size, shape, composition, and activity, influenced by Uranus's gravity and magnetic field. Let's take a closer look at the moons of Uranus. Titania, the largest moon of Uranus, with an estimated diameter of about 1,578 kilometers. Titania is composed of ice and rock, featuring a surface with craters, canyons, and mountain ranges. There is a possibility of a subsurface ocean beneath the ice on Titania. Oberon, one of the larger moons of Uranus, second in size only to Titania. Oberon is composed of ice and rock, displaying various geological features, such as craters, canyons, and mountain ranges. Oberon is known for the absence of geological activity. Ariel, one of Uranus's larger moons, with a diameter of approximately 1,157 kilometers. Ariel is composed of ice and rock, and its surface exhibits craters, canyons, plains, with craters being particularly prominent. Maps of Ariel have been created, showing similarities to Earth. Umbriel, one of the larger moons of Uranus, with a diameter of about 1,170 kilometers. Umbriel is composed of ice and rock, and its surface has a dark appearance. There is a possibility of a subsurface ocean beneath the ice on Umbriel. Miranda, among the smaller moons of Uranus, with a diameter of approximately 472 kilometers. Miranda has unique geological features, including deep canyons, cliffs, craters, and plains. Miranda has a singular structure compared to other moons. These diverse moons of Uranus provide valuable insights into the moon's geological processes, surface conditions, and potential subsurface oceans. Ongoing exploration and research aim to uncover more about the mysteries surrounding Uranus and its intriguing moon system. Neptune is the furthest planet in the solar system, comprised of ice and gas, and was first discovered by William Herschel in 1781. It was named after the Roman god of the sea, Neptune. Neptune is located approximately 4.5 billion kilometers away from the Sun and takes about 165 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Its atmosphere is mainly composed of hydrogen and helium, with small amounts of methane, ammonia, water vapor, and thick clouds of ammonia ice, giving Neptune its distinct blue color. Neptune has a total of 14 known moons. The largest and brightest moon is Triton, occupying 99.5% of Neptune's mass. Triton is unique among Neptune's moons as it orbits in the opposite direction and features ice volcanoes and nitrogen geysers, making it one of the few geologically active natural satellites in the solar system. The other moons of Neptune were mostly discovered in the 20th century and are named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. These moons vary significantly in size, shape, composition, and activity, influenced by Neptune's gravity and magnetic field. Neptune possesses a faint ring system composed of ice and dust particles. The existence of the rings was confirmed in 1989 by the Voyager 2 spacecraft. Unlike Saturn's bright rings, Neptune's rings have a dark color, possibly due to changes in the material composing the rings caused by solar radiation. Being the coldest planet in the solar system, Neptune has a surface temperature of around -218 degrees Celsius. However, its interior is hot and highly pressurized, with a presumed liquid core. Neptune harbors the strongest winds in the solar system, with storms reaching speeds of up to 2,100 kilometers per hour. The planet experiences seasons due to its axial tilt, similar to Earth, but each season lasts for approximately 40 Earth years. Neptune, being a distant and enigmatic planet not visible to the naked eye, has only been visited by the Voyager 2 spacecraft in 1989. This mission provided valuable information about Neptune and its moons. Neptune offers intriguing insights into the primitive history and planetary formation processes of the solar system, and further exploration and research are expected to unveil more mysteries surrounding this distant gas giant. Mystery of the cosmos, an infinite endeavor. Jupiter's radiance, Saturn's beauty. Neptune's icy maze. A realm of azure dreams for Neptune. Each ring shining in the boundless cosmos. The moment reflected in our eyes is the grand happy ending. The smile of the universe embraces our dreams. Thank you for subscribing and watching.